In 2024, the Nobel Committee awarded the prize in chemistry to Demis Hassabis and John Jumper for their work on AlphaEvolve. Their AI system achieved a milestone researchers once thought would take decades, predicting the three-dimensional structure of proteins from their amino acid sequences. That same computational efficiency is appearing in pure mathematics. Recently, AI systems discovered ways to speed up matrix multiplication, foundational operations that had not seen a significant improvement in 50 years. The most visible milestone arrived at the International Mathematical Olympiad. Under strict competition time limits, autonomous models solved the creative logic puzzles typically reserved for the world's most gifted pre-university students, securing a gold medal standard for the first time. To an outside observer, the trajectory looks clear. It appears that even the highest levels of human cognitive discovery are entering a phase of total automation. But competition puzzles are closed systems with known answers. When researchers move these same elite models to the edge of modern, unsolved graduate-level research, a test known as frontier math, the results change. This chart shows the performance of the world's leading models on frontier math's most difficult problems. These accuracy scores collapse to 4.2% and 2.1%, with some of the most famous models failing to solve a single problem. This collapse reveals a disconnect in how these systems process multi-step logic. AI is not yet ready for the research frontier because of a hidden discrepancy in its reasoning. To find the source of that failure, researchers separated the testing process into two distinct parts, grading just the final numerical answer and grading the step-by-step logic used to reach it. When the benchmark only requires a final number, the models are dominant. They routinely outperform 99% of human participants on standard competition math. But the data looks very different when you examine the logical proofs. The high red bars represent the models getting the final answer right, while the lower pink bars show how many of those answers were backed by a valid logical proof. In some cases, the gap is as wide as 30 percentage points. This is the intuition gap. Because these systems are trained on massive pattern recognition, they often guess the correct destination while using broken or nonsensical logic to get there. This is worsened by the model's tendency to hide its own uncertainty. Even when they are unable to solve a problem, models often generate a confident-sounding fake proof rather than admitting they are stuck. Because this mathematical intuition can move so much faster than the model's actual logical rigor, relying on the final output alone is scientifically risky. If the AI hallucinates bad logic, the next question is whether the machine can be used to review and correct its own work. On paper, these systems are excellent graders. They approach human-level accuracy when asked to find flaws in proofs written by other AI models. But this judgment accuracy table reveals a specific failure in self-evaluation. The bold numbers along the diagonal represent a model judging its own proofs, and those are consistently the lowest scores in the study. Researchers call this self-critique blindness. To extract valid logic from an intuitive machine, researchers use best of n sampling. They force the AI to generate dozens of different solution paths for a single problem, increasing the statistical probability that one of those paths will hold up under scrutiny. This is then reinforced by multi-model verification. A researcher takes the most promising proof from one model and submits it to a completely different AI framework for a blind review, bypassing the self-critique problem. In this workflow, the machine is not an oracle. It is a powerful but flawed engine that has to be guided by strict, multi-layered verification. The data suggests a new division of labor for modern research. The mathematician remains the pilot, setting the strategic direction and providing the final critical judgment, while the AI functions as a copilot to handle the heavy lifting. Researchers use these models as ideation engines. By adjusting the model's creative parameters, they can identify connections between distant fields of study that a human specialist might not have the time to cross-reference. The AI serves as a 24/7 sparring partner, a safe, non-judgmental space to test early-stage theories or diagnose why a particular logical chain is falling apart. It also bridges the gap between theory and execution. A researcher can now use an AI to translate a complex mathematical conjecture into computer code, allowing them to test their ideas empirically in a fraction of the usual time. The mathematician's role is shifting. It is moving away from manual computation and toward the critical orchestration of machine-generated insights. Despite these rapid advances in machine reasoning, the core of scientific discovery remains tied to human intellectual ownership. This has led to the principle of critical verification. It is the absolute mandate that the human researcher must independently validate every claim an AI makes before it enters the formal record. Just as the calculator once stripped away the rote labor of arithmetic, these models are removing the mechanical hurdles of research, allowing mathematicians to focus on higher levels of abstraction. True human ingenuity begins at the exact point where these models reach their logical ceiling. The next phase of discovery belongs to the augmented mathematician, the one who uses these tools to push further into the unknown.